Hey guys, this is Chani and I'm here in Gokarna. It's a very small but beautiful place. The beaches are very impressive and stunning in Gokarna. It's my first day in Gokarna, and rather than roaming around all day, I decided to be in Kadle beach all day. So let's see how it goes. This is one of the places I stayed. It's Kudle Beach View Resort, and trust me guys, the view from this place will surely leave you amazed. Just have a look. And yay, I have reached Kudle. Can you see the guy walking in front? Well, he was a really great help. So I was here on seasonal basis, as in Shivratri season. It is said that Gokarna is very crowded for that period basically, but here I can see like not too much of crowd, and it was really beautiful. And I'm really very hungry, so there is this place, La Pizzeria. I had really yummy food there, Oreo shake and paneer masala must try. Ganga Cafe itself a very famous place, you will anyway find it on Google. Though I didn't try food there, but okay, yeah. So as you can see guys, the beaches behind me, they are actually astonishing and magnificent in their own way, and I'm like really fond of beaches, so let's enjoy. And I'm hungry and tired, and it's 4 p.m. So मैंने सोचा कि why not to try this beautiful place. It's very colorful and vibrant and famous for its hookah. Let's try. Guys, Gokarna beaches are also famous for its sunset views, and now I know why. यहाँ पे लोग बहुत ही फ्रेंडली थे. People were playing all together, random peoples. As you can see here, it's beach volleyball, and these guys were like totally unknown to each other. And slowly I could actually see people gathering, like lots of people gathering here and playing volleyball all of a sudden. Hey guys, this is Chani and I'm here in Gokarna showing you a really beautiful beach. We call it our own beach. You can see the view. Can you just show the view? Yeah. From here, as you can see the view, it's really breathtaking, and let's go and explore it, yeah? here I am on a boat, very excited. I thought I'll be traveling alone in that, but anyway, it's never gonna happen. So these guys, you can also take a boat tour. These guys will take you to show the lighthouse, Nirmal Point, where the river and ocean meets. Plus, if you are lucky enough, you will also see the dolphin on the way. I saw one, yeah, and it was really beautiful. Plus, they'll take you to the Paradise and Half Moon beaches, and if you ask, they will drop you as well. So let's have a ride. Guys, this is Paradise Beach, which is like too small, but then yeah, it's very beautiful. It's just there are no eateries to eat. If you are hungry, you have to go to Half Moon Beach, which is adjacent to it. So that's the only thing I felt. So this is the way, guys, where people do trekking and reach from one beach to another. This is one of my favorites, Half Moon Beach. It's very clean, very tidy, and at times it's literally super romantic. People are having fun, chilling out. It's not very wavy, there are not many waves coming, so it's kind of a swimming pool there. So I'm back to Om Beach now, and as you can see, there are some beautiful shops, street shops on the beach. Yeah, of course, very beautiful jewelry. I bought one. I'm not very fond of. Yeah, this uncle is very he makes really tasty bhel puri, a must try, I must say. Very cheap and hygienic. It's my favorite spot. I was sitting there and staring like for long. Guys, there is this one more place I would like to recommend personally, that is Nirvana Cafe, that is at the end of the Om Beach, and it's really a must visit place in Gokarna, and it's actually awe-inspiring view from there. The cafe itself is very beautiful. The view from that cafe is like just amazing and astonishing. So please visit that cafe on my request. I hope you like it. Guys, this is Chandni again. If you liked my video, please like, subscribe and comment on my channel. Please share it with everybody, and as you can see, I'm really very fond of beaches, and this is a really beautiful one. It's time to enjoy. Thank you.